Welcome to the introduction of Blue Drop Company. I'm Yugashni, daughter of Nandagopal. My metric number 313896. Blue Drop will be a water purification and delivery company based in Changlun, Kedah, providing clean, safe and affordable drinking water to homes, businesses and communities. This company will use advanced purification system including multi-stage filtration, UV sterilization and reverse osmosis to ensure high quality and great tasting water. Blue Drop will offer flexible delivery schedules, easy ordering, and multi-packaging options from small bottles to large gallon containers to meet household and business needs. With trained staff, strict hygiene practices, and regular quality inspections, Blue Drop will ensure reliable service, customer satisfaction, and consistent water quality.
Now I will talk about the mission, vision, and objective of our company. Firstly, at Blue Drop, our mission is to make 100% clean and safe drinking water available to every community we serve. Secondly, vision. The vision of our company is to become the leading and most reliable water purification provider, improve well-being through sustainable practice, advanced purification technologies, and responsible management and supervision. Thirdly, objective. Objective is the goal that the business hopes to accomplish. To realize its long-term vision are referred to as the objective. Business objectives are quantifiable target outcomes that companies aim to sustain as they expand. The objective of Blue Drop Company is provide clean and safe drinking water, expand market reach, and lastly maintain high standard of product quality. An organization chart depicts the integral structure of business or organization. Its purpose is to illustrate the reporting, relationship, and chain of command within the organization. Employee names and title or job position are generally depicted in box or circle with line linking them to other employees or departments. By looking at the company organizational chart, people can gain a quick understanding of how the organization is designed, its number of levels, and where each employee fits into the organization. Organization structure consists of CEO, operation manager, production supervisor, customer service, human resources manager, sales and marketing manager, and finance and admin manager. This is an example of our company chart organization. That's all for me.
Today, I will explain Blue Drop's company's planning and goals. Our managers set clear goals and strategies to ensure all households and business have access to safe, clean and affordable purified water. They work together to develop the company's vision and mission as well as operational and financial plans to support long-term success. First, Blue Drop aims to improve customer satisfaction to 90% by the end of the year by responding to customer inquiries within 24 hours and reducing complaints related to water quality and machine issues. Second, the company plans to increase brand awareness through social media and clean water campaigns targeting 20,000 new potential customers. Third, Blue Drop focused on innovation by developing 2 new water purified models with improved filtration technology that can reduce electricity usage by 10%. Lastly, Blue Drop aims to improve supply chain efficiency by reducing delivery and installation time by 20% and ensuring all technicians fully comply with standard installation and maintenance procedures. Blue Drop Company practice 3 levels of management to ensure smooth operations and effective decision making. First, top-level management is responsible for strategic planning. They set the company's long-term vision and overall direction, allocate budgets such as investing in research and development for advanced filtration technology, and regularly evaluate employee and sales performance. Next, middle management focus on tactical planning and acts as a bridge between top level and first line management. They coordinate resources and manpower by scheduling technician teams efficiently, ensuring sufficient stock of filters and purifier units, and providing technical skills training for installation teams. Lastly, first line management handles operational planning by supervising daily activities. They manage technicians on site, respond to urgent repair requests, resolve customer complaints immediately, and ensure all work meets company quality standards. First, the strengths of Blue Drop Company. There is a high and consistent demand for clean drinking water because it is an essential need for households and businesses. This creates a stable market. In addition, Blue Drop used a subscription-based model with weekly or monthly deliveries, which provides steady revenue, improves customer convenience, and builds long-term customer loyalty. Next, the weaknesses. Blue Drop depends heavily on logistics. Any vehicle breakdowns or staff shortage can cause delivery delays and affect customer satisfaction. The company also has limited market reach, as expanding to new areas require more vehicles, staff, and higher operating costs, which can slow down growth. Moving on to opportunities. Public awareness of water quality and health risks is increasing, encouraging more people to invest in purified water service. Blue Drop can also grow through corporate and commercial partnerships with office, schools, gyms, and restaurants that require regular bulk water supply. Finally, the threats. The company faces strong competition from established brands and local suppliers. In addition, strict government regulations and compliance requirements means that any failure in water quality standards could damage the company's reputation and operations.
Organizing involves a systematically ranking an organization resources such as people, finance, equipment, technology, and information to achieve its goal. It includes defining role, assigning tasks, establish authority, and creating coordination mechanism. Through organizing management with a clear internal structure so that every department and individual understand their responsibilities and how their work support the organization overall objective. Organizing in Blue Drop Company involves ranking and coordinating resource, staff, and process to ensure the efficient production, treatment, and distribution of a clean water. It includes defining roles, workflow, and material allocation to maintain quality and operational efficiency. Effective organizing helps the company reduce waste, follow safety and environment regulation, and deliver safe water to customers. Because the company operates in the public health-related industry, it must maintain strict standard and well-structured system that align people, technology, and process. Level of organizational culture at the site. First of all, artifact. Artifact in Blue Drop Enterprise are the visible element of its organizational culture, such as a warning sign, PPE requirement, clean and contaminated zone layout, quality control chart, water analysis result, and process flow diagram. The presence of a specialized equipment and employee consistent safe practice also reflect the company value. Together, these artifacts show Blue Drop strong emphasis and safety hygiene and organized operational to maintain high quality water purification. The second one is a value and norms. The value of a Blue Drop company emphasize providing safe, high quality water and protecting public health. They include a compliance and standard environmental responsibility teamwork, integrity, transparency, and continuous improvement. This value guide employee action, encourage honest reporting of issue, support the collaboration, and promote the adoption of new technologies. Together, they shape employee behavior and the ethical culture of the organization. The last one is a basic assumption. Blue Drop Company basic assumption are deeply rooted belief that could guide long-term strategies and daily operation. These include the idea that water quality must never be compromised. Preventive maintenance is essential, and effective purification relies on a scientific principle and technology. Employees also assume a strong responsibility to protect public health, valuing consistency and accuracy to avoid serious consequences. These assumptions shape the company culture, leadership, and decision-making process. Type of organization culture. First of all, hierarchy culture. Hierarchy culture emphasizes structure, rules, and control, making it common in water purification companies due to strict regulation and the need for accuracy. It relies on clear authority line. Operator report to supervisor, who report to manager, and strict adherence to procedure. This structure approach ensure stability, reduce risk, and support safe, reliable water purification operation. Second one is a clan culture. Clan culture emphasizes teamwork, mentorship, and employee involvement. At the Blue Drop Company, it encourages open communication, collaborative problem solving, and supportive relationship. This cooperation, especially during emergencies like contamination detection, lead to faster decision, smoother operation, and a more unified, harmonious work environment. The third one is market culture. Market culture emphasizes competitiveness, performance, and meeting customer expectation. In Blue Drop Company, which offer various water treatment product and service, this culture drives employee to meet strict target, deliver high quality service, and follow customer timelines. It is keep the company competitive and ensure staff prioritize efficiency and result to satisfy client needs. The last one is advocacy culture. Advocacy culture emphasizes innovation, creativity, and adaptability. At the Blue Drop Company, it's a support research and development in advanced filtration technology like RO membranes, UV system, and nanotechnology. This culture promotes the experimentation, continuous technological improvement, and development of a new solution for complex water contamination challenge.
Now I'm gonna talk about leading management in Blue Drop Company. Leading means inspiring and motivating the team. Ensure that everyone feels motivated. Leadership plays an important role in the success of any organization, especially in water purification and delivery service companies where quality, safety, and reliability are essential. Process perspective on employee motivation. Expectancy theory suggests that motivation depends on individuals' expectation about their ability to perform tasks and receive desired rewards. Expectancy theory is concerned not with identifying types of needs but with the thinking process that individuals use to achieve rewards. Blue Drop leaders will encourage high performance by recognizing achievement, offering rewards, or providing training to improve their skills. Next, goal-setting theory. Goal-setting theory emphasizes that setting clear, specific, and challenging goals leads to higher performance than setting easy ones. Blue Drop vision is to become the leading and most reliable water purification provider. To make the vision happen, Blue Drop leaders will hold meetings to discuss challenges like road delays, water testing results, or customer feedback. Behavioral approaches. Job center leader closely supervise subordinates to make sure they perform their tasks following the specific procedure. This type of leader relies on reward, punishment, and power to influence the behavior of followers. Blue Drop leaders will ensure that plant operators strictly follow protocol for pH balancing, filtration, and disinfection by establish clear vision such as deliveries per hour, on-time delivery percentage, and minimize fuel consumption can make the leadership drive more efficient. Next is people-oriented leaders. People-oriented leaders prioritize the well-being and development of their team members. They foster a positive work environment by encouraging collaboration, communication, and mutual respect. Blue Drop leaders will suggest improvements and take initiative to solve problems.
Blue Drop will ensure high employee satisfaction and reduce turnover, which supports the long-term consistency of service delivery. Transactional or transformational leadership. Transformational leadership occurs when a leader drives significant change in partnership with their team members. Expectation, aspiration, and values are transformed into something better. Transformational leadership also develops the team members personally and inspires them to achieve extraordinary success. Blue Drop leaders will involve in inspiring, coaching, and motivating employees to enhance service delivery. Blue Drop will not criticize the thoughts or opinion of the members. Blue Drop leaders also will recognize the multiple pathways exist to reach a goal and support experimentation and risk-taking decisions.
Controlling is an important function of management which all the managers are required to perform. In order to contribute towards achievement of organizational objectives, a manager is required to do effective control over the activity of his subordinates. Thus, controlling can be defined as a managerial function to ensure that activities in an organization are performed according to the plans. Controlling also ensures efficient and effective use of organizational resources for achieving the goals. Hence, it is a goal-oriented function. So, to ensure our company activity run smoothly, we follow all three types of control, which is feed-forward control, concurrent control, and feedback control. Feed-forward control is focused on the regulations of inputs, for example, human, material, and financial resources, to ensure they meet standard in the transformation process. First, we will always make sure total dissolved water (TDS) is only between 0 to 50 only. Other than that, we also set up a quarterly maintenance for the water purifications to prevent any problem from happening. And for staff, we provide them with proper training to make sure that there are no human error, and we also make forecast demand to make sure we can provide sufficient supply to the customer. Secondly, for concurrent control, it can be described as real-time control because it deals with the present. Companies use concurrent control to monitor and adjust ongoing activities and help to prevent any problem from happening in the transformation process and make sure all the process follow the standard. We always monitoring total dissolved water always under 50, and when it exceeds 50, we will make in process maintenance, which is we already set up in feed forward control to avoid damage. Other than that, in delivery service, manager will observe our delivery staff to make sure the delivery process went smoothly. And lastly, for feedback control, it's a system to measure the result of the business already set up or after business run. It is to check whether goals are achieved and help company to improve how company work. We will collect customer complaints about our products or services and will try to resolve any issue that arise by reviewing all the process. We also use feedback control to record monthly sales performance to see if we can change our strategy when our sales are low.
Blue Dot Company provide clean and safe drinking water to household, businesses, and communities using advanced purification technology, efficient delivery system, and strict quality control. By applying POLC principles, the company aligns daily operations with its long-term goals. A strong organizational structure and effective leadership keep employees productive and focused, while a positive culture built on clear values, safety, and teamwork support operational excellence. Continuous water quality monitoring, efficient delivery, and feedback-driven improvement boost performance and customer satisfaction. Overall, Blue Drop is well positioned for sustainable grow, emphasizing innovation, health, convenience, and environmental responsibility.